everyone, welcome to the Not Too Shabby Iheartyou January Box of the Month Inspiration Hop. We have a $25 gift certificate up for grabs. All you have to do is hop to each video, leave a comment, like, and subscribe if you wish, and come back to my Rafflecopter link to submit your entry into the giveaway. To find all the videos in this hop, click on the hashtag N2S Iheartyou. I'll have it on the screen for you right there. We have some new design team members on this hop, so be sure to subscribe so you get to know our new team members. So for this month's box, we have a Valentine's Day theme. So I really love the colors and the design of this box. You are going to love it. So you can purchase this box at Not Too Shabby. You can purchase it as a one-time purchase, or you could purchase it as a club member. So to get into the club, all you have to do is check out changing the frequency to monthly, and that will get your box shipped to you automatically every 30 days until you cancel. You do get a 5% discount when subscribing to the box. I also want to share the stamp and die of the month. So in case you wanted to pick up both subscriptions today, when you do sign up for the stamp and die of the month club, you do get 18% off of that subscription. Otherwise, you could purchase it as a one-time purchase. You just won't get the discount. So let me share that first so I could get that one out of the way. I did do a quick little card, and we are going to be doing a hop. So I would love for you to stop on over and check that out on the 7th. So here is the stamp and die. It is called Macaron Pets. It is very, very cute, and it's got some sentiments for you. The die is available, or you could just purchase the stamp. And here is the cute little card that I made. Isn't that super fun? And the paper that I used for this card is that hot cocoa paper pad that we came out with on that mini release. So super, super fun. It doesn't have to be used just for Christmas or winter. This is perfect for Valentine's Day as well. So let's dig into this month's box. We have 3 stamp sets, and they are all so cute. So first up, we have these cute gnomes, Valentine gnomes, and such cute characters. The sentiments read, Happy Valentine's Day. There's nobody like you, a to and a from, and you get some hearts in there. So super fun. We've got another set called Fancy Bird Cages. So what's great about this set is you don't have to do any coloring. So you can just stamp with inks and create a fun card. We've got sentiments, you're so tweet, somebody loves you. There is this little bar here, which you can use to dangle your bird cages and also use it as a bird perch. So you can have it horizontal and then have the little birds perching on there. And then we have just a note stamp set. So we've got 2 bottles here, and then we have a rose, and we have a flourish, we have a heart, an envelope, and we've got the sentiments, me plus you. You have my heart, just a note, and love. And then there's some single hearts as well. So you can mix and match the sentiments. They do all go very well together. Like just a note would go perfect with the little birds. We've got me plus you goes very perfect with the gnomes. So the Happy Valentine's Day you can use for either of these stamp sets. So I'm going to share the cards that I did. So here's the You Have My Heart sentiments paired up with this really pretty bottle filled with hearts. So all I did was masked out some hearts and stamped over to create a cluster inside the bottle. And then I gave the bottle a shine mark with a jelly roll pen, so it kind of looks like the hearts are inside the bottle. And then I colored it up so it looks like a cork top is on there, and then some raffia twine for my bow, and then I used the beautiful papers from the paper pad. I just love these colors and the patterns. They're so cute. Here's a slimline card that I did. And then we have the cute gnomes. And then just a note for my sentiments. I did use an MFT die to cut out these squares in the center. And then for the outside, I used the Whimsy Card Builder Slimline die. Topped it off with some sequins. And in the background, the red paper is from the Slimline paper pad that comes in this kit. So this is called Bokeh Love. Teresa Russell, who is Fresh and Renewed with Teresa, is our designer for all our paper pads and ephemera, and she does some of our stamp sets as well. So here's the cover, and you can see all these beautiful different bokeh style papers in different shades of red. So you get 2 of each design, and they are single-sided, so you won't have to worry about ruining the back on this pad. So that's very pretty. I love how it goes from the lighter red to the deep red. This one's really pretty. I used one of these sheets already, and that one I used on this card that I'm going to show you next. These are just great. You can also use this paper pad for your A2 size cards. It does measure 4 across. And then I did use the other sheet for this one. This is the one I used for this. The cardstock is nice quality. You can see it's very nice weight. So this one has some words on it. It says blessed, I love you, Valentine, joyful, happy. A nice bokeh. There's a one with hearts. This one's got the bokeh and the love. Very nice. And then the last one. Love that raspberry deep red color. So I really love that. There's the one that I used for this card, and look how cute that turned out. Now, Cat Scrappiness is having a new release today, and I did use their brand new die, and this is in the shop, so I'm going to have that linked for you in the description box. I made a little flag banner with the Happy Valentine's Day sentiment, and then I added some Trinity Stamps gems sprinkled across the card, and the cute little gnomes with the 2 hearts at the top. So it turned out super cute. Then we've got this really easy card to make. This one is using the birdcage stamp set, and all of it was done with black ink. No masking necessary because it's all done with the same colored ink. You can stamp right on top of it, and just love it. So I made a little background with some distress inks. I started off from the edges and worked my way to the center, leaving the center white, and then added some white splatters around, and then topped it off with some sequins. So the last card here is done with the paper and the ephemera, so I'm gonna share that next. So here is the card made with all ephemera and papers from the paper pad. So turned out super cute. These cards are really easy to make because you don't have to do any coloring. You just add the beautiful ephemera on there, and topped it off with some sequins. Did pop up some of the images for dimension, popped up this square, so it turned out really cute. So I love this paper pad. This is gonna be one of my favorites so far. Just the colors are fantastic. So it's called Me Plus You. You get 4 of each design. Look how pretty. Oh, I love this one. Just makes a beautiful accent. And then these gray accents, these hearts are just, I love it with this red. So really pretty patterns. There's a glass jar with a rose, and then there's an envelope, some hearts. Really gorgeous. And then we've got all roses. That is beautiful. And then a red gingham. Just so cute, and it's watercolored looking. And then this one's got a mug that says me plus you, and the other mug says love. And then another pattern with the banner, the pillow. We've got a mug, a little jar with hearts. And then this lovely gray with all these words, love, 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 me plus you. And then another pattern with two little hearts. And then in that gray, in the back has the bird cage with a little heart in the middle and the word love. And then the ephemera. So we've got really pretty ephemera. So we've got some ones that you can use for a sentiment. And then look at the cute truck with the little gnome in the back. So cute. We've got the pillow. We've got some hearts. Look at the hearts in the roses. And then we've got some cute little gnomes. That is so cute. And then the little cups with all the hearts. We've got some envelopes, big ones and tiny ones. And then this is really cute. A two-tier tray. There's some more gnomes. Little box with hearts. Little signs. There's a bigger bow. More gnomes. There's another truck. So you get more than one, looks like, of each image. And then we've got this little glass jar with the hearts. There's a plain truck, so you can kind of decorate it if you want. Maybe have a gnome popping out the back or something. A little jug with hearts. We've got some banners. And these are all duplicates. And then these little ones here are all little hearts. And then these are really cute, these little love tags. Just some great ephemera pieces in here. Another look at the card. So super fun. So the link to the box is in the description box. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help the algorithm push out the video to more viewers. And don't forget to come back and click the Rafflecopter link to put your entry in and hop to the next person. So I can't wait to hop along and see what the design team has created for us. And thank you everybody for stopping by, leaving a comment, leaving a like. I appreciate that so much. And I will announce the winner on my YouTube community tab on January 9th. Or you can come back and hit that Rafflecopter link that will also tell you who the winner was. So thanks and have fun hopping, guys. I'll catch you real soon in the next video. Bye, guys.